Oh, this is in good shape. Wow, look at that. Nice. Good. Really nice. Hi guys and welcome. Today I'm going to be planting longevity spinach. I just got some in the mail from Etsy and I am going to plant this. I am really looking forward to this. This is a perennial green herb. Lives all year round and you can eat it like spinach in your salads, and there are a variety of medicinal claims for this plant which are kind of interesting. Some people claim it lowers blood pressure, lowers your cholesterol levels. Some people even claim that it helps to control diabetes. I do not know if there's actual verifiable science behind these claims. However, what I do know is this is a nutritious green vegetable that I can plant outside in my garden that will live all year round and feed my family, which is the point for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant this. Today this just arrived in the mail and it's in great condition, as you can see. There's a couple of little spots there, but other than that, it's doing great. So I'm gonna put on my gardening hat and I will see you out there. As you can see, these plants have really nice roots. Person was growing them in a tray clearly, but they have really healthy root systems. I'm going to be putting them in this pot, which is about half compost and half native soil. And I'm going to put one on either end and we will see how they do. Dig wells for the first plant. And just backfill there gently. I'll try and orient it so it's facing more out. And then this one I will be planting here, facing in the opposite direction of the other spinach line. Now, longevity spinach is supposed to do well in hot weather, which is the reason I was interested in getting it. That and it is a perennial. So we will see how it does. I'm going to give it a little drink of water. Nice long drink of water, just to seal up the roots and let the soil contact with the roots get rid of any air pockets. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe so you can get all of the updates and see how my plants are doing and what other projects that we're up to.